What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions video on the Easy Detangler brush. I got it in the mail a couple days ago and I was like, ooh, Chels, look at your hair, let's wash it. So today I'm going to be washing my hair, putting it into some mini twists because I don't know what style I want to do it in, so whatever. So right here you can tell, let's just get into the hair. I don't think my hair's ever been this tangled in my life. So I'm about to unbox this really quick, because clearly I still have it in packaging. So this about to okay. So here is the brush. Comes in this nice little packaging. It gives me like instructions on the back on how to use the brush. Okay, so straight out the packaging, I love how flexible this is. And then it also comes with a locking clip. It comes with a locking clip, right? So I guess like I would put it in there for like how flexible I want this, or if I want it to stay like separated, right? Out of the box, I love this brush. It's super, not flimsy, but it's not super hard. I like how it has the locking combs so I can lock in like where I want the brush to stay if I want it to stay there. But yeah, so technically it's in review, so it's like, why not do my hair like I would do my hair? So of course I'm washing it, but the only thing I'm not going to do is finger detangle my hair. I'm literally using the brush, okay? So of course I'm gonna go in with my Head and Shoulders shampoo, my Classic Clean shampoo, and then today I'm going to actually be using my Tresemme Moisture Rich conditioner. All right, y'all, so I just washed my hair with that, shampooed my hair with that Head and Shoulders shampoo. So now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm doing my hair like I would do my hair any other day. I feel like, what's the point of doing a review for a product if you can't do it the way that you would do it on a regular day basis? So clearly my hair is still 100% tangled. It's just clean. So tooth comb, and I'm going to separate my hair into 4 sections if I can. Okay, so my hair is in my 4 sections, so I'm just gonna start this back piece, and I'm going in with my Tresemme Moisture Rich conditioner. I put a lot. I'm heavy-handed, sorry. Can't take that away from me. And I'm trying so hard not to finger detangle right now, you guys. Okay? So I got the conditioner on here, well, to where I can. And so now I'm gonna be going in with the brush, and I'm just going to separate this again. Ouch. All right, a little more conditioner, just a little bit. Okay, and this is what we're working with, so I'm going in, starting at the ends. Well, whoa. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh. Wow. Okay. Wow. That probably took, what, 10 seconds? I wish I was taller. Hold on, let me move my camera down. Wow. Okay, let's see about this other section. Ouch. Well, y'all can see how nappy my hair is. Like, this is no playing. I put a lot of conditioner on this section. Going back in, starting at the ends. And I think I like this brush because it doesn't let go of your hair, but it's not pulling it. Does that make sense? It's really light. Ooh. Wow. Okay, so if y'all have ever seen any of my videos on my YouTube channel, y'all know how hard it is for me to like comb my roots. And this brush is literally touching my scalp. Like every comb. I loved it. I can't even lie to y'all. I can't even lie to you. Alright. Let's see what the rest of us talking about. So I'm gonna speed it up from here. And comb out the rest of my hair. I like it. Y'all have to get this product, especially if y'all have like problems with detangling. This is the best product I've ever like, y'all, and I'm not even like. And then look how defined my curls are. Like, y'all, I can't make this up. And still like, well, I have like 5 different hair textures, but still like, this is touching my scalp. It's touching my scalp every time I comb out, like I'm using this brush. It doesn't hurt, it's really flexible. Like, do y'all see this? Call me a river. Yeah, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side off camera and I'm gonna come back. Yeah, y'all go get y'all this brush. That's it. Yeah, I'm finished. Okay, so yes, if I had to recommend this product, this easy detangling brush from 1 to 10, I would give it a 9.9, and only because I use so much product that I wish it had like something to grip with. 9.99. But this is amazing. Like, this is amazing. All right, y'all, so I completely forgot to put their Instagram in the video. So their Instagram is EZ Detangler Brush. Yeah, so if you'd like to purchase their brush, go ahead and do it there. And if they have a website, I will put it in the description box as well for you.
But yeah, before this video ends, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.